Let me explain to you. I'm going to the choreographer ball. There's a priceless costume.
We always win.
Yes, we all. But then you sure about this ER. I'm supposed to be the Grand Duchess of Anastasia. But I think I look mad at the Crescent building.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, without your wig on, you're only half dressed.
Well, if you're so concerned about the wig, why don't you go fetch it?
Wicked Witch of the West.
If your intention was to take an arrow and aim it at my heart, bullseye!
Roger, don't pay attention to him. You know what? That building is you. Now, listen, I know that I already asked for you over the phone, but did you get the chance to read Springs for Hitler?
Read it, kind of boring, and I found it remarkable. It's just drenched in historical goodies. I didn't know that the third read means Germany.
So, will you do it?
What?